Now, in the year 2010, Fernando Sanz, our president for Malaha. Na Malaha kwa him into okopie mu okata ekope sika se mfanye Malaha boboku no. Na otimi wure mu no. Wenye obi ase Abdallah bin Nasser Al Thani. Ena okoto no. Ene ne kambo ma de Malaha ehye nsa. Na penny Malaha is one of the indigenous Andalusian clubs. Sevilla, Betis, Malaha. Omu nyina wo baby a Sevilla no Andalusian area of Spain, southern Spain, baby ebe Morocco and also Mediterranean Sea no. Now in that period 10 years this year ne we manage say 13 years. 13 years down the line, Malaha in the 30th year.
Omo call me chikra.
Who would have thought? Now, yeah deal ni we be fire no. Papa ichire mu say our ambitious project. By ambition Okofa Martin de Michelis and offer Julio Baptista.
Yes.
And the Omoba Malaha team. And offer Manuel Pellegrini. Then Malaha signed on to Nike kit sponsorship. Malaha MP OBS Cantina UNESCO and the Guamata di enim. After that, on the Pellegrini kabom and Omura transfer market num. Omokofa Jeremy Toulala from France, Lyon. Toulala ebe kan team yi ho na odi ni juma ewum. Not just Jeremy Toulala. Omo say Real Spain. Efa Santi Cazorla. Cazorla ebe join omo. Na eyo obi anwa say why would Santi Cazorla do this from Valencia? As if Cazorla's own it wasn't enough. Omo say wure mu kofa Francisco Alacron Isco. And so the neighbor team num. What was more? They brought in Ruud van Nistelrooy. Manchester United, Real Madrid. So that was ambition. The peak of the ambition was in April 2013. 2 late goals from Marco Rios. It denied Malaha from a place in the Champions League semi-final and a potential date against Real Madrid.
Yes.
The team they were aspiring to be like. Now after that, Nyoma nko na team ni nsemu sisim. 2018, Ghana need a relegate team Malaha. Emmanuel Boateng then playing for UD Levante.
Yes.
Scored the only goal in that game. And a equal relegation. 2019, a kakitwe bin Kamala Hassan by. Then so Deportivo La Coruña a film in the playoffs after somebody third in Segunda. Year on problems. In 2020, Ebeto Jase Papane de Malaha Boko nika 7.3 million euros through some shares acquisition and Sikebia loans via and credit facility via Wajiji in relation to people connected to the club. Nansoni a criminal case in ye tier than Hochen. Then a sign imagine in February 2022 say young court na administration because Sika credit to amount for our Malahano na yinya. And one of the most industrious clubs in Andalusia is in the 3rd tier. It's not all that glitters that is gold. Ibi kokata Malaha nkwa kopie mu okata amfa hwede akosi from the peak of a potential Champions League semi-final and they hear nimu say Malaha ebetimi akwa kopie or 3rd tier in Spanish football all because enyoma enkoye. Declan Rice is in demand Germany. Name say afini senye Hurricane ebe Declan Rice omo pemu baako, which is quite interesting. Next Thomas Tuchel and what nas no ne Hassan Salihamidzic is a friend of Brozo omo di nkomo no aka chen say omo hia number 6 obetna at the base na ye pia Joshua Kimmich amana konanim because when he goes forward he's a better player. Say ne be a say ono any Goretzka say ono any Musiala na ebesim bia no omo ni how. The problem with this Declan Rice boy and say ne midi kan he's in demand obi e peni bi Manchester City pe, Manchester United pe, Arsenal edi hun koma omo de omo jidi so makwa animu kra Chelsea nsusu na omo nya na omo pe. Now this is the issue. Unso no ni agent representing no and Ebusianfo and representing no.
Oh okay.
Intino dealing with him is quite complicated. But omo jidi says he kan ko ade a enye problem. But Bayern Munich could not make a statement. I don't know how to so omo pe Adrian Rabiot and so the free PSG. And then a man focus Thomas Tuchel no over PSG no. He banned this guy. And Germany for ni chire mu say entisa ban ne by. Ne mo me club no. and the cast and the mammy Veronique ni hard drain do. Now cranny tietie until non punish no. And the man punish no. Until the Bayern Munich are in the midfield market. What is a Mateo Kovacic into Dean BPM? Clearly, they are preparing for an exit of a midfielder. And Ryan Gravenberch and Liverpool in 790, there could be actually some legs in it. Another player, Kweku ne ho asema beto dwen ne Romeo Lavia. Ghana ni akra na Obama Belgium no. Oba Manchester City and Chelsea pen. Chelsea quite the last summer no mo call no ntino ya they are the most serious. Of course Adamte now. Wa mo bo anya hwe na Chelsea so mo discan bi beto so. Omo nje no. Joe Schultz is still around. On the den call ntino Chelsea pen. Manchester City will buy back. Nemum Calvin Phillips. Any Rodri na ho nya bi mo. Enu ntino man ni free ho. Omo buy back no would kick in next summer for 40 million euros. Manchester City, any Romeo Lavia. And then Liverpool. People within the club GD say no. Even for the present, Obetimi Aboa, and then in the future, he could be the heir apparent to Fabinho. Now, Chelsea called last summer, almost the same call. Acquiring the value of 25 million euros. But this is an inflated market. 2. Southampton echo relegation, so they would need to sell well to keep players for their team. But and you know say, Accra offer Belgium by enche. No about just one season top level football in England. Obi a penny be. It is his quality. We crowd the Minya Nanka Mampany His Excellency Ketiye Tukreku of the Football Republic. Nanka ne Accra Casano Bobi Amaye.
Lorenfa.
Oza.
Ozo already was shall say Boboma.
Na isu ye pesi nya na
mo frefre na.
O Accra win. So nka o Mampany de ne si form ewurewure ma. Me na minim so e Ghana ni until we catch
last time na e din komo bi. Accra na mu choose on Bema Ghana. Dodo na em ze bibi omo no. Chance no fa na
we know your dream. But the thing say Liverpool have really pitched very well to him. So about Benye Biabo. No more here number 6. I mean, o can na madrin corner so.
We Ghana.
Onimbo. I think we have some of his videos there if you could see some. Born with Onimbo. So Romeo Lavia is another player who is in demand. Yes, we a golden
be of pharmacy. Why?